Hello, I'm back with another unboxing. It's time for the Sugar Sloth Tiny Hug Club box. I have the box in here, but I also won a colouring competition with them, so there's some extra stuff in here too, so we'll have a look at it all. Let's stick in, hopefully not cut anything, well, apart from the tape. That will do. It's chock full, isn't it? Yeah. Nice packing as always. I think that's the colouring competition stuff. Oh, even more. Okay. Put that to one side and we'll open the regular box first. Again, I do like their new boxes that they've ordered. Little Tiny Hug Club, hurrah! Your monthly box of cute has arrived. I don't like cutting through the penguin though, I have to say. Troy the penguin and with, can't remember the name of the fish. Oh, we've got a pen. Oh, I have a Pay It Forward Society card. I don't think I've got one before. Maybe I did. My feelings and experiences are valid even if they're not understood. One day you will tell the story of how you never gave up. That's very sweet, isn't it? Pictures and things. So the idea is you get these in the box and then you can write on them, send them back to Sugar and Sloth, and they'll put them in random boxes so someone else will receive your message, which is really lovely. Oh, fire breathing heart dinosaur, because I think is it? No, it's not a dinosaur. What is it? What's the theme? Trying my best. I don't know if you can read that. I've got a few of their pens, they're really nice. Oh, it's dragons. That's what it is. I'll do the pins last. Yeah, Dragon Dreamland. There we go. I won't turn it over because I think it says what's on the in there. We've got Kevin the Chicken trading card. Likes shrinking crisp packets in the oven. Special skill, the ability to give hugs just by thinking it. Mischief 84, Huggability 32, Snackiness 17, Adventure 12, Dance of 46. And we've got the shiny stars. We've got a sticker. Just trying my best. Oh, here's the my blank Pay It Forward postcard. You are what the world needs more of, which is lovely. We always get a little calendar, which should have a colouring sheet on the back. There we go. Anxious but doing it anyway. So we'll have fun colouring that. Envelope, which goes with this card. Oh, that's delightful. I like that it matches the. Just unfold it so we can go back in the box. They said follow your dreams, so I had another nap. Delightful. Dream big, work hard, be kind, never give up. Little dragon butt. Looks a bit contorted, this dragon here, doesn't he? It's all very lovely. And what's the regular pin? You get a regular pin, and when you pay a bit extra, you get a sweary pin as well. This one is, oh, that's nice. Just a little dragon, lucky pocket dragon. Bring her along for courage, good luck, and emergency pep talks. There's that one. And let's have a little look at the sweary one. Yeah, trying my fucking best. That's apt on a lot of days for a lot of people, I'm sure. Okay, let's pop all these lovely goodies back in. In here and have a look at what else I've been sent. Very, very happy to win. Struggling with the box. There we go. Put that to one side. The tissue paper. So got. That looks like it's got some writing on it. So let's look at that first. Oh, got a whole bunch of postcards. Every little thing is going to be okay. Congratulations, lovely. Stay hydrated. Brew. Witches. Brew. Someone feels better because you exist. Oh, these are nice. Remember, you're 1 in a million. You are loved, unique, and unbelievably special just the way you are. And I don't know who needs to hear this, but everyone isn't mad at you. I think sometimes we all need to hear that. They're nice, and only one of them's got writing, so I can send the rest to other people. Spread the joy. And we've got some postcards, little, well, more like leaflety things. Less overthinking, more tea drinking. And hey you, your mental health is more important than your productivity. With a frog. We've got some stuff here. Oh, cool. Oh, trying my best being awesome. There's a weekly planner, loads of sheets, and a daily planner with mood tracker and notes, something that made you smile. That's really cool. They will get used for sure. And there's little dinosaurs on them. Is Arnold on there anyway? That there, I think. Oh, maybe not. He's got heart. Arnold-esque. Yes, they will 100% be getting used. And there's something else as well. I'm not sure what this is, but I do like the worm stickers. Chocolate in there. Cuthbert, the self-love slug. That was weirdly difficult to say. We've got Cuthbert in a little matchbox. That pin, I presume. That's adorable. That's really cute. Some of this packing stuff. Lots of people don't like slugs, but that doesn't bother Cuthbert because he knows he is kind and brave. He loves himself, and that's all that matters. I will rest, but I won't quit. Once there was a slug who wanted to give a hug, but he had no arms, no hands, and no palms. So instead he whirled and twirled his own gift to the world. A view of his cheeky rear. Oh, how the world did cheer. Box breathing. It's a good one. Little read of that. Well, I can't please everyone, and that's okay. All I have to do this week is try. And we've got a thing there, you write things that you love about yourself. I will be kind to myself this week. Oh, it's all slug themed. Something I love about myself today. Little post-it pad, very vibrant red. The Slug of Self-Love weekly planner. Oh, he looks a bit battered, but he can do the job just fine. Loads of pages. How will I take care of my body this week? How will I take care of my brain this week? What will I feel grateful for this week? Oh, and the Slug of Self-Love daily planner. That's the weekly one. Oh, yeah, that's a bit curled at the edges as well. Looks like they've got damp or something. Anyway, it will work just fine. The Slug of Self-Love daily planner. Today I am grateful for. Today I am looking forward to. What can I do to make my day a little brighter? What can I do to make someone else's day a little brighter? That's nice. The mood tracker, hydration, and how my day went. So that is a really cool little box of stuff. And all this weekly daily planner stuff for someone with ADHD is, well, it's either going to be super helpful or like a really fun distraction from doing things I need to, but either of those is fine. So I usually make good use of these planner things sporadically, use it for a week, then forget about it, and then remember it again and go, oh, I can use that. What a wonderful set of prizes. And then along with my regular subscription box too. Been spoiled with goodies. So very happy with all this stuff. Thank you to Sugar Sloth. And thank you to you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed, and I will see you again soon. Bye.